Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to randomize or shuffle a JavaScript array. So first of all, I have to create a function for that. So I'm going to create a function shuffle. It will take an array. Now I have to declare two variables, random index, and in current index I have to provide a value which is array dot length. Okay, and we will give the value to the random index later. So now we have to use the loop while loop. So the condition is current index must not be 0. Okay, and inside that I have to declare my random value. So I'm gonna use my random index math dot floor, and inside the math dot floor we have to use the math dot random, and I'm gonna write here multiply by current index. I hope you would be familiar with the math floor and the math random function. Alright, so this is how we get our random index value. Do the decrement here. Okay, so now here is a part where we swap the elements. Okay, so for that I'm gonna use array current index array random index. So let me just copy this. All I need to do is to reverse the position of the current index and the random index. So here it would be random, and here it would be current. Okay, so this is how we swap the elements in an array. Alright, now I have to return my array, and we are done with our shuffle function. Now what I need to do here, I'm gonna simply create an array and I would give it as some random values. So we have our function and we have our array. So now let's just pass an array to our function and let's just see. So how does it shuffle the values of our array? My array. Alright, now I'm gonna simply console log my array after the shuffling. I think we are good now and we have done everything here. So let's just hope it works correctly. Let's just run this. Okay, so this is how we can shuffle the values. Okay, so as you can see here with the shuffle function, we are simply shuffling the elements of an array. Okay, so this is how it works, and this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.